Hello everyone. Before we had discussed about the English words of Tet holiday in Vietnam, and today we are now going to discuss about the Tet holiday greetings in English. Let's start with security, good health, and prosperity. It is the Vietnamese sentence as Anh Khang Thịnh Vượng. It means that we want to have good security, good health, Happy New Year. And it means that chúc mừng năm mới. And it also means in English that greeting others with the sentence means that we are hoping them having a lucky and happy and joyful New Year. Happy New Year. Tết âm lịch. It means that we're also hoping for others to have a joyful, happy, and lucky New Year. Plenty for health, sức khỏe dồi dào. It means that we are greeting someone to hope someone for a good health, especially for your elderly. Live up 100 years, sống lâu 100 tuổi. It means that this is a greeting that we greet for our elderlies, like our grandparents, to live long with their decades. May all your New Year wishes come true. Chúc mọi điều mong muốn của bạn trong năm mới sẽ trở thành hiện thực. It means that we are greeting a hope for people to fulfill their deeds or their goals in a new year. Congratulations and be prosperous.恭hỷ phát tài. It means that we hope for people to have congratulations and be prosperous. That means that is for those that want others to have financial luck in the new year. Hand of fortune, tấn tài tấn lộc. It means that it's a great sentence in the Tet holiday. Means that hoping someone with luck, with many fortunes in the new year. I hope that you have peace and prosperous in the following year. Hy vọng năm mới mang đến cho bạn sự bình yên và thịnh vượng. That means that you're wishing someone to have the hope of peacefulness and wealth. Wishing you health and happiness in the year to come. Sức khỏe và hạnh phúc trong năm mới. And that means that you're greeting someone to hope that someone will have good health, happiness in the new year. And now, I hope you guys to have a Tet holiday with security, good health, and happiness. We have finished a video about the English sentences, greeting sentences in Tet holiday. And now I will greet you with some of my favorite greeting sentences. First, it is Anh Khang Thịnh Vượng. Security, health, a good health, and happiness. The second is Vạn sự như ý. May round things go according. And finally, Happy New Year! Security, good health, and prosperity. I hope you guys and everyone to have security, good health, and prosperity. A myriad things go to according. And finally, I will greet you with Happy New Year! Yay!